Hi, good morning. Chris again at Falcon Technology. Monday morning, as usual, busy. We've got two vans in today, and one of the vans is a Fiat Ducato, and installation is of an Evo 5G. Our friends have arrived wanting better connectivity for when they're going camping in rural environments. So we've installed the Evo 5G antenna on the roof of the van, and we've also installed a 5G router inside the van. So let's go in the van and take a look at where it's all been installed. So in the cupboard is the router and the docking station. The docking station has a little power switch underneath it, so if you want, this can be isolated when you're not using the van. The router then is powered from the onboard 12-volt system when switched on. The router does have a rechargeable battery built into it. That router itself sits on a docking station, but the router can be removed. The advantage of this is you can use the router in your mobile life. So this is a system not just for your mobile home, but basically should you be in the car, on the train, or even going to the park, you can take your router out. It has internal antennas to give you reliable signal where signal is available, or reliable internet where good connection is available. But when connection is poor, because we're in the countryside, now we can add the router to our docking station, we can give it power from the onboard 12-volt system, and then we can add the antennas like so, and now we've got a boosted connection from the antenna on the roof. So let's go and have a look at the antenna on the roof now. Installation of the Falcon antenna on the roof is easy enough. We first clean the area, prepare it, and drill a 15mm hole. Then the antenna and the threaded bar goes through the hole and sits on the roof and is fixed with Sikaflex to protect from any water ingress. Okay, so testing the unit. Yeah, we've not got 5G here, but we have got 4G. The download is 70 down and it's 10 up, which is great, more than enough for streaming and browsing and watching your favourite movies. So thanks very much for watching the video. If it's something you want us to arrange for you, then either give us a call on 0800 622 474 or drop us an email, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching the video. Bye now.